Hey friends, it's me, and today I'm taking you on a super fun adventure, a day at the zoo with Max and Mia. Are you ready? Let's go. First stop, the lions. Did you know lions are called the kings of the jungle, even though they actually live in grasslands? Max and Mia love watching the lions snooze in the shade. Did you hear that big roar? Lions can roar so loud you can hear them 5 miles away. Wow. Next up, we're visiting the monkeys. Look at Mia giggle as the monkeys swing from tree to tree. Monkeys are super smart and love to play games, just like us. Some monkeys even use their tails to help them climb. Can you wiggle your tail? Oh wait, we don't have one. Now let's tiptoe quietly to see the elephants. They're the biggest land animals in the world. Max is amazed by their huge ears and long trunks. Did you know elephants use their trunks to drink water and pick up food? That's like having a built-in straw and a hand. Oh look, the penguins! They're waddling around in their tuxedos. Penguins can't fly, but they're amazing swimmers. Mia thinks they look like they're having a dance party. Would you like to waddle like a penguin? Give it a try. Last stop, the giraffes. They're so tall, Max needs to stretch his neck just to see their faces. Giraffes have super long necks to reach tasty leaves at the top of the trees. Fun fact, giraffes have the same number of neck bones as you and me, just way bigger. What an amazing day at the zoo with Max and Mia. We learned so many cool things about animals and had lots of fun. Remember, always visit the zoo with an adult and be kind to the animals. Thanks for coming along on our zoo adventure. Don't forget to roar like a lion, swing like a monkey, and waddle like a penguin until next time. Bye-bye.